Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your AirPods Pro 2 and phone so translation works without delay. Put the AirPods in your ears, then pair them to your iPhone via Bluetooth. This ensures low latency audio. Open Translate or the Live Translate toggle in Settings. You need the resource active so audio routes correctly. Once done, choose the spoken languages for you and the other person. Make sure to set the AirPods as the output device. This step removes guesswork and keeps translations fast and clear. You now engage the live translation feature and guide the flow of speech. Tap Conversation Mode and Translate, then tap the microphone or the conversation button so your voice is captured. Speak in short, clear phrases and pause briefly. This helps the model segment sentences and reduces errors. The translated audio will play through your AirPods Pro 2. Listen for the response language and switch sides if needed. If recognition stumbles, type the phrase or rephrase slowly. This keeps the exchange accurate and smooth. You finish the session by stopping conversation mode and disconnecting when done. Save any translated lines you need for reference. If you notice lag, make sure to toggle Bluetooth off and back on, force close the Translate app, then repair the AirPods Pro 2. This clears audio routing glitches. If translations are inaccurate, double-check both language selections, update iOS to the latest version, and minimize background noise or multiple speakers. One key tip: rephrase complex sentences into short phrases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.